Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情泰嘎来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice。
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And this is the month of March. We already had Chinese New Year, but you know what? The festivities don't stop there because in the Chinese culture, on the 15th day of the lunar calendar, it's something called the Lantern Festival.
就會長夜班。
長夜班，長什麼班呢？你在講什麼？長夜班。
長夜班呢？
哦，正月半。Oh, okay.
元宵節。
Oh, 這就是元月15號嘛，元宵節。Okay, that's how you say the Lantern Festival in Hakka. What it literally means is the 15th day of the lunar calendar, which is exactly the day of the festival. Okay, 所以再一次是長夜班，聽起來要長什麼班哦？是正月班。Okay. All right, a lot of lantern festivals are going around the island in Taipei and Taichung and Kaohsiung, everywhere, all right? And this year, a lot of the lantern festivals have a common theme according to the animal of the year. 其實我們這個每一年呢都會換一個生肖嘛，對不對？你知道今年是什麼年嗎？哎呀，豬啊！ That's right. Alice just did an impersonation of the pig. It is the year of the pig, or more appropriately, we like to say the year of the boar. 其實我們講 pig 很難聽，對不對？感覺好像在罵人。所以在國外呢，他們其實豬年呢叫做 boar 又是另外一種方式講 pig. Yeah. So it's the year of the boar. So if you go to these lantern festivals, you will see a lot of piggies running around, because it's the year of the pig. 那今年呢，聽說在台北呢，有一個象徵的這個角色，對不對？叫做
朱古力。
什麼是朱古力？
朱古力。
朱古力啊？朱古力不是巧克力嗎？
沒有，它另外一種含義叫做象徵的今年的豬年嘛，朱古力，叫說豬要鼓勵。
我現在終於懂了。OK， 有聽說這個東西，朱古力其實跟巧克力有一種另外的說法一樣，所以蠻可愛的。所以這個象徵的這個豬呢，它的名字就叫朱古力。然後呢，又聽起來跟豬
很像，
要鼓勵。
對。
Oh, that's a very interesting fact right there. They have a lucky charm at the Lantern Festival, and it's called 朱古力. And 朱古力 actually sounds like the pig's encouragement. I guess it's a sign of saying that the pig is wishing us a very prosperous year of the pig, of course. So there you have it. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.